Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix services error 1058. The service cannot be started on your Windows 10. So recently, a user reached to me in official Microsoft forums with this error, and the screenshot he shared is shown in this video. And he faced this error with the Windows Update service, and the error was Windows could not start the Windows Update service on local computer. Error 1058. The service cannot be started either because it is disabled or because it has no enabled devices associated with it. So in this video we will see how to fix that error. So this error actually occurs because the service is disabled, and to fix it we will launch services snap-in by running services.msc command. In the services snap-in, scroll down and locate the service with which you are facing error 1058. So I will show you these steps with the example of Windows Update service. So here you can see that Windows Update startup type is disabled, and that's why this error could occur. So what you need to do is you have to double click on that service and set the startup type to anything except disabled. You can set it to automatic, manual, or automatic delayed start. Either of these three values are acceptable, but disabled is not acceptable. So we'll set it to automatic. Many services are also set to manual, so you can set it to manual or automatic, it's up to you, and click on apply and then click on start button. So this started the service, and this time the error did not occur and the service is now running. So this is how you can fix this error 1058 with services. If this solution does not work for you, you can try configuring the service via registry manipulation. So right click on the start button and select run. Type regedit and press the enter key. Click yes in the USC confirmation prompt. In the registry editor window, go to H key local machine, system, current control set, services. When you expand services registry key, you have to locate the exact service name, which you can get from the services snap-in or via the services property sheet. The service name is mentioned on the property sheet, so you can copy it from there and paste to the registry editor location after putting a slash. So now we arrived exactly on the registry key for the service with which we are facing 1058 error. Now what we need to do is, in the right pane of the service registry key, we have start named registry D word. As I have configured the service via services snap-in and set it to automatic startup type, here its value is showing 2. But in case if you are not able to start the service via services snap-in, you might be having its value data set to 4. All you need to do is set the value data to 2 for automatic and 3 for manual and click OK. And once you set the value data, you can simply close the registry editor and reboot your system to make changes effective. Once your system restarts, you should be able to start the service without any error. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.